This video will review the initial setup of assignments in Brightspace. Begin by clicking on the Assessments option in the nav bar and choosing Assignments from the drop-down menu. Now that you're in the Assignments page, simply click on the New Assignment button, which will open the assignment creation page. Give your assignment a title. Here we'll put in Test, and you can also add instructions into the text box below. If you wish, you could also attach a file with instructions using the option available below the instructions text box, or you can choose to record audio or video instructions. Make sure that you mark the grade out of for the assignment. In this case, we'll say it's out of 40 points, and either connect this to an item in your gradebook if you've already set one up, or you can add a new one now. You can do this by clicking on the gradebook option, and you can either edit or link to an existing gradebook item. You can say that this is not going to be in the gradebook, or you can choose to reset the assignment to ungraded. If you choose edit or link to existing, it will bring up a new text box in which you can create a new grade item here, or link it to an existing grade item if you have any created. For now, we'll create the new grade item by clicking OK. And then we can also choose to add a due date. Along the right of the assignment creation page, you'll see 3 sections. The first is the availability dates and conditions. You can expand this section by clicking on the arrow to get to more options. Now you'll see a place to enter a start and an end date for the assignment availability. You'll also be able to add release conditions, such as a student having viewed a content module or having submitted a previous assignment. There is also a place to manage special access. For now, we'll simply add in a start and an end date. So we'll say that this starts today and it will end a week from now. For ease of viewing, we can always collapse these subsections as well. The second section is the submission and completion section. Here you'll be able to choose between a few options. The assignment can either be submitted by individuals or by groups. An assignment can be electronically submitted as either a file submission, such as a Word or PDF document, or a text submission. With a text submission, students can type their response within the offered text box. You will also be able to allow only one submission, allow multiple submissions, but only keep the most recent one, or to keep all submissions. Currently, we have it set to the last option. And down below, you can always choose to have a notification email sent to you when a submission is made. For smaller courses, this may be useful, but for something with more than a handful of students, this can become a bit excessive. If using a file submission, you will have all of these options, but will also be able to choose to allow unlimited numbers of files per submission or only a single file. You can also require specific file extensions, such as PDF only, or something that is specifically an annotatable file. Typically, we suggest that you keep this as a no restriction. There's also the option to make the assignment an on-paper submission or observed in person, though these are not frequently used. If you choose these options, you can decide if the submission will be marked as completed manually by the learners, automatically when they are evaluated, or automatically on the due date. The last section is the evaluation and feedback area. Here you can add a rubric or create a new one. You can also choose to add a learning objective, though these are rarely added or tend to be included in the assignment instructions. Also, you can decide whether you want to have annotation tools available for assessments, or if you want to mark anonymously. Once you're happy with the assignment settings, you can use the toggle with the eye icon to hide the assignment or make it visible to students. We'll make this visible for now, and then when we're totally finished, we can click Save and Close. We'll be taken back to the assignments page, where we can scroll down and see that our new test assignment has been created. For more Brightspace resources, please visit the Studio website at studio.smu.ca or swing by the Software and Application Support Center at Atrium 107.